In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group emails in Google Workspace. A group email lets you reach multiple people at once using a single address, perfect for teams like support, finance, or marketing. You'll need Google Workspace admin access for this process. Start by opening your admin console and signing in with your administrator account. From the home page, look for Directory, then select Groups. This is where all existing groups live and where you'll create a new one. Click Create Group. Give your group a clear, recognizable name, something like Customer Support or Project Alpha. Next, enter the group's email address. Keep it short and easy to remember and make sure it matches your organization's naming conventions. Add a helpful description so colleagues understand the group's purpose at a glance. When that looks good, click Next. Now choose an access type. Public makes content broadly visible, while Team is great for collaborative communication within your organization. Announcement is ideal if only a few people should post and everyone else should receive updates. Restricted keeps things tight and limited. Pick the type that fits your use case. Review the access settings that appear. This is where you control who can see conversations, who can post, and whether people outside your organization can email the group. Take a moment to align these with your security and communication needs. You'll also see options for how members can be added or join, such as allowing direct adds by managers or requiring requests. Select the approach that matches how you manage membership. When you're ready, click Create Group, then Done to finish the setup. You'll land on the Groups page. To start building your audience, select Add Members. Type the work email of each person you want to include and confirm. They'll be added as members and will receive messages sent to the group address. Let's test it. Open Gmail and click Compose. If you don't already have it handy, copy the group's email address from the admin console, then paste it into the To field in Gmail. Add a clear subject and a brief message, and hit Send. Everyone in the group should receive the email. If your message doesn't arrive as expected, revisit the group's access settings to confirm who can post and whether external senders are allowed. Over time, you can return to the group to adjust roles, add or remove members, and fine-tune permissions as your needs evolve. That's it. You've created a professional group email in Google Workspace and sent your first message.